Hello again guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Kunantaraj. Today I've got a brand new technique that I want to show you, and it's called how to make money doing these simple tasks. But the best thing is you're not going to get paid in simple regular money. No simple regular money like PayPal or anything like that. You're going to get paid in cryptocurrencies. We're talking Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Sometimes you can even get paid in US dollars if you want. But what's the reason why this is so good? Because if you're getting paid in these type of currencies, these are almost like an investment that you can build, and they can literally increase in value overnight. Now you can imagine if you get paid in a cryptocurrency, that cryptocurrency booms overnight, you could earn 2 times as much from what you already have. So right now I'm going to show you the website that you need. It's called latium.com. Well, not .com, .org actually. So why do you want to use this website? The bottom line is, you imagine someone creates a product. They create like a new Facebook Messenger bot. They create something like a new app. They want people to test that particular product, and they're willing to pay for you to either download and test that product or to test its functionality. What Latium does is, if you go and browse, you can see projects that are willing to pay you money for simply doing all these simple tasks. So if you're at home, you can literally sit there at home, do a bunch of these tasks, and start earning Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies without you having to create, without having to, do all that crazy stuff like getting your credit card out and buying cryptocurrencies. You're actually going to just be earning cryptocurrencies. You can put these cryptocurrencies, transfer them to anywhere where you want, and that kind of thing. So I'll show you an example. So when you go on Latium, just for even reviewing Latium on Facebook, you actually can earn $5. That's just for reviewing Latium on Facebook. That's literally just saying what you think about it. Obviously, a better review is better than a really negative review. So obviously try out everything, give an honest review, and then you're going to get $5 for that. Then you can earn 18 cents for simply, doing something like this, predicting something with zero risk. Let me scroll down, see if I can see something that pays a little bit more. You can do a survey on, network equipment. You can actually earn $15 to $20 with that. Then you can actually even get paid 10 cents for simply downloading this app and screenshotting that you've downloaded it. You can simply earn money to translate an entire catalog of, obviously the rewards a lot here, but there's a reason why. But you're going to be earning almost, like a big chunk of a Bitcoin with that as well. You can simply earn $45 to $50 for simply registering and signing up for this app as well. You can earn money for different things. Let me see here. St. Lucia footage edit. You can edit footage if you're very good at editing, and you can earn well over $1,000 for that as well. So that's a big chunk that you can earn. That's paid in Bitcoin, but that translates to with like an Ethereum or whatever like that, and plenty of Litecoins. You can even do things like if you speak Spanish, someone needs English to Spanish translation. You've got testers for language testing, mobile testing. You get $25 to $30. Data entry as well. You've got English to Hindi. This one is a really good one because I know I have a lot of viewers in India. So for you, if you live in India, you might probably know how to translate English into Hindi. You can earn $100 to $125 simply doing that particular task. You've got loads of translation, loads of mobile games, or simply fun tasks that you can do, and you can earn money in cryptocurrency. And if you earn cryptocurrency in, for example, Latium, that's actually pretty good. The reason why is because Latium is an up and coming cryptocurrency. It means that it's kind of incrementally going up in terms of its stock. So if you're earning loads of money in Latium, or even in normal USD or Ethereum, this converts really well in terms of the future. There's so many different ways that you can actually earn money with Latium.com. A lot of people don't know about Latium, but check it out. You can earn a lot of money in cryptocurrency, and this is probably the best way to earn free cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. See ya.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Reed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.